tingin mo po, anong mangyayari in the next 6 months sa political landscape? Will it be the same? Alam nyo, ito yung mga nagsasalita na ngayon, hindi na nga DDS ang nagsasalita, favoring VP Sara. Halimbawa, yun na nga, yung mga pinks na nagsasabing doon na lang kami boboto sa lumalaban pa. So, 'di ba, lumalaban sa magnanakaw. Tapos meron pang, at of course, itong si Attorney Luke Espiritu, na hindi talaga yan pro Duterte in any way, shape, or form, kumbaga. Ano yan? And hardcore na komunista yan. But he said, saan sa tingin ninyo pupunta ang mga tao? Kung kayo, he was addressing the yellows and the pinks, and I guess, sabi niya, si Inday Sara lang, si Vice President lang daw ang naniningil sa magnanakaw. Siya lang daw ang natitirang lumalaban. Everybody else ay gusto pang makipagkuntsabahan. So, lately, mas nakikita ko na so in the political landscape, nakikita ko that the drift really is towards VP Inday by everybody who sees yung hypocrisy na ayaw ng ibang mga tao na tuunan ng pansin yung flood control, tuunan ng pansin yung pinaghihinala ang paggamit na bawal na droga ng isang tao na napakataas ng posisyon, in a position to make decisions that affect the public interest. Nakikita ito. Sa madaling sabi, you can no longer ignore these issues. The administration can no longer ignore these issues. Kasi kumbaga, nagkakaroon ng exodus away from the administration, away from the parties that support the president, that continue to support the president simply because ayaw nila dun sa constitutional successor. So, this is going to affect the chances of any other party that refuses to recognize the failings of this administration. So, I do not see anything that is standing in the way of that hemorrhage. Sabi ni Ashton, kahit yung mga pinks dilaw, ayaw na mabansagan na kain suka. Parang irritable at na-hurt sila sa term na kain suka. Totoo yan. Hindi kasi nila masagot. Kasi, yun na nga tama si Ed Chico. From never again to why not? Diba? Hanggang ngayon, hindi nila sinasagot yan. And when they answer, it is merely as an admission nang sinasabi nila ay mas worse daw si VP Inday. Paano mas worse? Nanalo yan. Yan ang vice president. Siya ang constitutional successor. The law, the constitution says she will take over when the president becomes incapacitated or can no longer lead the country. So, di ba? Paano yun? Ang inconvenient pala ng constitution para sa kanila. Pero kung maka-rule of law sila, rule of law kayo dyan, ayaw niyong paupuin si VP Inday, rule of law pa rin ba kayo? So it is very hard to answer that. To answer how they will be able to stand the hypocrisy. Kumbaga, their hatred for anything Duterte supersedes the love of country or the upholding of the public interest. Sabi ni Recushin, in case the impeachment trial against the VP ever takes place, the senator judges will be even more hesitant to convict the VP because of the possibility of a Madriaga perjury case conviction. Pwede. Sabi ni Sir Leo, di benta sa akin yung pag may ka-meeting si PRD, nasa kusina siya. Kahit nga family members pinalalabas pag sobrang importante ang usapan, tapos siya nasa kusina eavesdropping. Totoo yan. And I've seen him talk to people, kunwari may party, tapos kakausapin siya ng isang tao. Kung nasa table siya, paaalisin niya Sabi niya, dun muna kayo, may pag-uusapan kami. So pinalalayo talaga yung mga, totoo yan. Totoo yan. Well said. Sabi ni Winston, kala nyo kasi si PRD at Sara ay iisa ang takbo ng utak. Sara is different from PRD. PRD is from old generations while Sara is from new generation. Kaya lilipad kayo ng aming agil. Ililipad kayo ng aming agila. Sabi ni Strictly, kung pupunta kayo sa TikTok, yung mga followers din ni Lenny, both yellows and pinks, ang tono, hindi sila masaya na nagko-compromise na yung mga thought leaders nila to cooperate with the BBM admin. It must hurt really to be them right now. Hi kay Kim, ikaw na nga yun. Hi Miss Katrina, maraming salamat po ha at sa inyong tuloy-tuloy na pagsusuporta. Sabi ni Miss Katrina, happy weekend. Konti lang ang comments yata dito sa sa TikTok ngayong araw na ito. Sige, pero pag napuno naman yung gift goals, then mag-extend tayo dito and you'll have all the time in the world mag-discuss tayo dyan. Sabi ni Mark Lester, pwede po ba further explanation about sa sinasabi ni Ridon, pinsan ni Gadon, about sa sinasabing may matibay na evidence for impeachment? God bless. Congressman Ridon, abogado naman siya, is, I think he's giving, you have to tell me what he said. Exactly what he said, ha? Pinapag-guess nyo na naman ako. Kahit hindi po DDS, kita talaga na a government failed and is still failing. Kawawa ang ating tax too. Sabi ni Metalingus, the pinks or the liberals are in a tight and peculiar situation. I can't believe that the liberals will align with the Marcoses. Miss Grace is asking, nung namatay ang representative ng antibiotic, nagpa-eleksyon, Antipolo, nagpa-eleksyon ng COMELEC, pero nung speaker si Martin, ilang representatives nangamatay pero ginawa niyang caretaker sarili niya. Nobody filed the case. Sabi ni Ms. Didi, now you can see how principled the VP is. No compromise, hindi pwede kain suka. Sabi ni Ma'am Sarina, sa ngayon na nangyayari, sila ang gumagawa ng batas, pero sila din ang nag-aaway kung paano intindihin. Nagiging katawa-tawa talaga mga congressmen. Well, if you put 10 lawyers in a room on one issue, you'll still come up with like 15 opinions. Sabi ni Ponyas, I have this feeling na PRD is the one that knows how to dance and play. He raised his closed fist. That is Sarah. Reminds me how drop that one-liner with Locsin. I don't know what you're talking about. Sabi ni Crystal Mendoza, nandidiri talaga ako sa mga pinklawan na nananahimik sa mga nakawan. Nakakadiri sila. Sabi ni Jekyll Chan, I've read somewhere that some powerful group might try to take over the government using the military. Weak leader, social unrest, possible. It's possible that somebody might try. Sandra says, watching from the UK, thank you for all that you've done. Ay, nako, mas maraming nagawa si PRD. Sabi ni Ashta, hater naman yan si Ridon, lahat sa kanya matibay, basta against sa Duterte. Ganun ba? Good morning, Lumpia Queen. parang nawala yung mga trolls ni Senator Risa. Napansin siguro nila na di talaga manalo si Risa at di kinakagat ng publiko. Sabi ni Harfax, ganun ka-powerful si VP. Teddy Casino. Interview namin with Teddy Casino. Hindi rin siya makasagot. Totoo yan, totoo yan. Sabi nga, yes, tinatanong ni Jekyll, is Ridon a lawyer? Yes, yes. Tinanong din namin kay Teddy Casino, paano kung manalo si Inday? Sabi niya, inamin nila, mahirapan kami. Sabi ni Sir Bill, for evil to exist, all it takes is for good men to do nothing. Hi kay Philip who's watching from Reykjavik. Wow. Speaker has the prerogative whether to have an election or a caretaker will be assigned as per Comelec Garcia. The speaker makes a decision on that or the plenary? Sabi ni Strictly, not sure kung pwede na itanong, pero yung latest statement ni OMB Boying na yung maleta ay nagsimula sa time ni PRD. Di ba niya naisip na admission na din yun na merong bigayan ng maleta pa din niya yan? Well, he did not characterize it, kumbaga. Parang, from what I'm reading dun sa ibang mga balita, parang pinalalabas niya na meron silang theory na yung mga pictures at yung mga nasabi ng mga 18 Marines, nangyari, panahon pa daw ni Duterte, hindi daw yun nangyayari ngayon. Meron daw isang picture at least daw na may witness daw siyang magsasabi, yan kinuna niya noon pa yan, a long time ago pa yan. I think they are not taking into consideration what is called metadata. So, hintay na lang sila until the pictures can be admitted in a court where even the metadata will be included. So, kumbaga, it's a theory that OMB Boying is trying to push, no, na hindi panahon ni Duterte yan nangyari. Parang, kailan nagka-ICC, di ba? Hindi naman, yung mga pag-iimbestiga ng ICC investigators, they will be able to prove that the timelines of these things. So, sabi ni Metalingus, it's true, Casino look pale when you ask him what happens if VP Sara wins. Thank you kay Wins, Maresigan. Linga says, how can these congressmen sleep at night? Or baka they don't have any conscience? Uy, thank you kay Wins. I think it's survival kasi. Pagdating sa survival, conscience takes a backseat. Lily Baked says, too big ang problema ni Junior. Thank you. Uy, gift goal achieved na. Thank you kay Wins. Tsaka Ma'am Lily says, ang laki. Too big ang problema ni Junior pag si VP Sara ang naging presidente natin. Aray. Okay, konti na lang. 2 na lang ang kulang. Di ba? Nakaka-amaze talaga how you stay calm and professional, sabi ni Huli Jing on TikTok. Every time you're partnered with La Sherda kasi medyo off yung humor niya or kanal humor lang talaga. Hindi. Minsan kasi, hindi kasi masyadong palabiro under normal circumstances pag kami ni Attorney La Sherda ang nakaupo. Minsan na-awkward pa siya noon. Pero minsan nag-aanuhan kami, it's the old UP Ateneo rivalry. Hindi kami nagbibiroan ng politika. I think masyado pang For any of us dun sa spokes, hindi kami nagbibiruan masyado ng parties except that one time nung tinanong ko si Attorney Barry, "Di ba liberal ka?" Huy, hindi. So, yun. Sabi ni, "Hi Miss Kalyeng." Nakahabol daw siya sa drive, kakarating lang galing sa galaan, kahit may mga jet fighter na dumadaan, tuloy lang ang buhay na normal watching in UAE. Thank you, nakahabol. Tagal ko nang di kayo nakikita dito. By Celsius, marami ding pwedeng magsabi that Madriaga's lying na nagtrabaho siya kay PRD. Andyan si Bongo, Jazz Egan, Attorney Panelo, at yung lahat ng nakapaligot na nagtatrabaho kay PRD. Oh, tsaka presidente siya noon. So, I'm very sure that there would be some person who would be able to check his calendar then. Sabi ni DM Alpha, nag-send po ako ng GCash doon sa volunteers para sa flowers for PRD. Hope our well wishes will be read by PRD through Attorney Kaufman. Ano po pwedeng ikaso kay ST para tuluyan na siyang mawala sa eksena? Paka-traidor eh. Well, I'm waiting for him to testify para pwede siyang makasuhan ng perjury. Pero kasi sa ngayon, dun sa mga ginagawa niya, hindi ko pa po nakikita kung ano yung pwedeng ikaso. I'm pretty sure meron ng alam yung ibang mga tao. Hindi ko lang nakikita pa po yung facts. Sabi ni Metalingos, imagine you're a congressman sitting with loads of taxpayers' money. And every day you pass by homeless families, potholes in the roads, and people just trying to earn 50 pesos just to buy food and rice. Aray. I don't think they think about it. Thank you very much dun sa mga, uy, hi Adrian. Thank you kay, di ko pa, ano yung pangalan, for the rose. Maraming salamat po. O, so, sino pa ang, Hi, Miss Mocha Princess. Magandang gabi. Ay, umaga. Umaga na ba? Yeah. Sabi ni John Tribs, protected pa po si ST kaya nagkakalat ng lagim. What do you mean protected? Hindi na po siya senador, ha? Anong meaning ng ad cautelam? It means with caution. Um, Thank you, Adrian. So, ang ibig sabihin nun, you file something without prejudice to something else. So, kunwari, you file an answer ad cautelam, ilalagay mo doon without prejudice to your stand that you do not you can say na, sasagutin ko to, pero with caution because I do not want to waive my right to question the jurisdiction of this court. So, yun is, inire-remind niyo yung court that I'm doing this with care because I do not want to waive my rights. I do not want this to look like I am waiving my rights over something else. Sabi ni Miss Didi, ngayon na wala sa pwesto si ST, magandang malaman ang source of income niya. Magastos kumuha ng lawyers at mag-fund ng mga activities niya for his smear campaign against the VP. Pasok sa maleta. Ay, you must admit he is a character. Hi, Miss Mina. Hi, Miss Irene. Irene pala yung name niya. Miss Katrina says, tama ka, those dirty politicians are so out of touch sa totoong estado ng mga tao. Diba? Kumbaga, nakakairita na nakaupo lang kayo nung na-elect kayo, suddenly, wala na kayong alam. Di na kayo ma-reach. Hi kay Miss Lucila. Kauuwi din lang daw nila. Mukhang maraming nakagala ngayon. Hi, kay Strictly, sabi niya sobrang dinetach na ng gobyerno to ang sarili nila sa problema natin as common citizens. Kaya sila nakakagalaw with impunity dahil hindi na tayo nagfa-factor in sa kahit anong desisyon nila. There you go. I was happy to see the post of our congressman regarding VPISD's impeachment. He mentioned he will read and review the evidence and at the same time listen to the voice of his constituents. We people from Bohol are solid DDS. Sino po congressman niya? Sabi ni Nick Jomari, di ba pwedeng ma-disqualify to run for public office ang mga relatives ng na-convict na personalities? Ay, hindi po pwede kasi hindi po nasa-spread out yung guilt. Ano yung sinasabi ng saligang batas? No person may be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. So, dinideprive mo an individual that has nothing to do or possibly nothing to do with the crime for which their relative has been disqualified. So, sabi ni Roman, is hiding the best move for Senator Bato right now? I don't think that it would be considered hiding kasi wala naman siyang warrant of arrest dito sa Pilipinas. But he did file with the Supreme Court and while the issue is still pending, it is best for him, well, at least the way I see it is that he has evaluated it and he thinks that the better part of valor is not to be too available. Sabi ni Coffee, meron po bang contingencies ang Philippine government in case crude prices reach 100 pesos? Eh, hindi ba yan yung parati nating kinakalampag sa administrasyon at kay Presidente Duterte? Ano yung sinabi ni Auntie Claire? May plano or nagmi-meeting or pinagpaplanuhan or something like that, but they have not revealed any plans whatsoever. As a matter of fact, ang target nila ngayon ay magbigay ng tig 5,000 piso sa transport sector. This is not 5,000 per month, ha? This is 5,000 pesos. Di natin alam kung gaano katagal mananatiling restricted ang Strait of Hormuz. So, hindi rin natin alam kung ganong katagal at kung ganong kataas ang magiging presyo ng krudo. Ang maliwanag is walang inaanunsyo ang ating gobyerno sa mga plano para sa mga tao, lalong-lalo na sa ordinaryong mamamayan. Ang maaari lang nilang tuunan ng pansin ngayon, na pansin ko, ay yung transport sector. At ayuda lang ang naisip nila. So, para sa akin, kailangan yung paigihin natin ang public transportation kasi kailangan magtipid ng ordinaryong mamamayan. Pero kung hindi naman magamit o hindi efficient ang public transportation, edi ang laki pa rin ng pahirap sa mga tao. 'Di ba? Parang ano lang 'yan parang yung administrasyon na walang pakialam kahit 2 oras ang pila noon sa LRT or sa MRT. No? Wala, deadma. Diba? Same here, walang plano. Sabi ni K3, tama ba? Ang plano lang nila Auntie Claire ay eroplano. Ay, corny pero totoo. Baka at saan sila papunta? Hawaii ba? Sabi ni Lizzie, yung scriptwriter nilang si Trililing, di ba pwede ma-file ng patong-patong na kaso at bitin? No person may be deprived of life, liberty, Kyle, life, liberty, or property without due process of law. So, paano ka magpa-file? Walang kaso. Kung ano. But that doesn't mean walang mahahanap. Kasi very aggressive si Senator Trillanes and most people na ina-attack niya ay on the defense. So, tapos hindi siya government official, so there's really not much to take away from him. So, titingnan po natin kung kung mayroon siyang paglalabag sa batas. So first district ng Bohol is Congressman John Gesnel Yap. Former mayor din siya. Nice. Nakikinig. Sabi ni Metalingos, if the info is coming from Castro, take it with a pinch of salt. Highly doubtful behind the scenes they're doing something about it. I think ito yung from the initial speeches of President Marcos, parang nag-iintay lang sila. Kasi nung una, ang sinasabi niya, di pa naman pwede mag-repatriate ng mga OFW, sarado airspace, pero umariba na yung ibang mga bansa. Yung yung pagtaas ng krudo, parang, ay meron pa naman tayong buffer stock. Ay talaga? Kailan pa? At hanggang kailan? Sabi ni Jekyll, habeas corpus petition but government refused to comply with the court's order. What case is this? Wala pa naman po. If you're talking about PRD's case, wala pa pong order ang court. Except to file their memoranda. Sabi ni Sky, ba't di nyo kasuhan si Trillanes? Laki ng damages ang ginawa sa bansa. Sino po kausap ninyo? Kasi kung kayo may nakikita po kayong ikakaso, bakit hindi kayo? Sinong inuutusan ninyo? Sabi ni Ponyas, assuming we own a business and we refuse to serve or cater for Trillanes and anyone directly related to him, may offense po ba yun? Wala po. You can choose, private establishments can choose who to serve. Sabi ni Azur, pagdating sa taong bayan, tinitipid nila, pero pag sa mga political allies nila, sige lang ang gastos. Sabi ni JP, kung mamatay na si BBM, gaano katagal pa bago nila ilabas yan at anong mangyayari kung itatago nila ito sa publiko? Just asking. Well, magiging ang mananagot dyan yung gabinete kasi sila po yung mag-a-announce niyan yung sa residual powers nila. And then dapat immediately walang transition period yan. From the moment of death, VP becomes the president. So, hindi, kumbaga, kung magpa-delay sila, then mayroong kaakibat yan na na parusa. Di ko lang sure kung admin, civil, pero wala pa akong nakikita na na criminal case. Aralin ko pa. Adrian says, magaling yung pag-interview ng Banateros compared with Miss Jessica, mas malinaw ang nabulga. Sabi ni Jenny Payales, maabutan din yan si Trillanes, kaya ganyan yan kasi hindi pinapatulan ni PRD dati. Pero dapat na talagang palagan yan at alamin kung sino financiers niya. Sabi ni Ma'am BM, sabi ng 18 Marines, 5 maleta daw ang naihatid nila kay Trillanes. Dapat makasuhan na yung sundalong kanin na yan. Wala na sa pwesto pero pasahod pa ng taong bahay. Well, that's interesting. Sabi ni Miss Didi, tingin ko, busy ang administrasyon. Busy sila pagplanuhan kung ano ang paplanuhin nila. Incompetence to the max. Elusive says, hindi nila ramdam ang hirap ng Pilipino katulad ng hindi sila nakakaramdam ng lubak pag nakasakay sa Land Cruiser nila o ibang mamahaling sasakyan. So, sabi ni Joanna, manifesting na within the year, president na si VPSD. Lumiliit na ang mundo ng mga sabaw at B. Desperate moves na ang galawan nila, kaya laban lang tayo, walang bibitaw. Sabi ni SJPEQ, bakit ba hindi nila tanggalin saglit yung tax, naaapektuhan yung mga normal na mamamayan? Samantalang yung mga nasa gobyerno hindi naaapektuhan ng pagtaas ng mga bilihin. Well, okay, ganito. Una-una, para tanggalin yung tax, except for those instances where the president can intervene during recess ng Congress, kailangan po baguhin yung batas. Kasi wala pong ano. Thank you, Patrick. So, pag you have to, there has to be a law. Pagka binabago natin yung ano, in order to repeal or to amend the law, you need another law. So, plus, of course, what is taken into consideration is paano yung pagpapatakot mo ng gobyerno. I'm not saying tama yon. I'm saying I agree completely na isuspend muna yung certain taxes. Sabi ni Ma'am Maribel, mukhang naniniwala pa si BBM na di magtatagal ang giyera sa Middle East. Just like Trump believed that mukhang palaban na ang Iran, they won't settle for a ceasefire. Comment of ad cautelam nang sinubmit ng appearance abogado ni Vice, ma'am? I guess. Can be any. Di ko nga alam saan nanggagaling yung ad cautelam na yung tanong eh. Pero ginamit yan during the impeachment case sa Supreme Court. Thank you, Patrick. Wow. Isa na lang. Sabi ni Strictly, lupit ni BBM, nagre-request na isama siya sa UN Security Council to resolve international issues and conflicts. Philippines naman, kulang sa self-reflection sa international stage pa talaga nagkakalat ng sipon niya. Aray. Sabi ni Coffee, itong pagnanakaw ng mga officials sa kaban ng bayan, mare-recover pa po ba? What if nailagay na nila sa offshore accounts? Mukhang limas na Pinas. Hindi ba yung mga offshore accounts ng mga Marcoses nakuha natin? Yun nga yung pinambayad dun sa land reform program. Sabi ni SJPEQ, kinukurakot lang naman nila, attorney. Yes, I understand what yung sinabi ko. Agree naman ako sa inyo, but the dictates of the law say that kailangan mo ng batas para gawin yun. Sabi ni Ma'am BM, out of topic. Ay, pwede na po kasi out of topic. What if kinuha ka po ni President Sara na maging ES, wag ka na po mag-isip. Siguro dapat si VP Inday ang mag-isip. Ano? Ay, huwag yung pangunahan. Ang saya-saya natin dito. Why are you trying to get rid of me? Sabi ni Dear St. Jude, I believe the war will continue for another 2 weeks. Hi kay Gamora, nakahabol din daw siya kahit Ramadan. Okay. Ba't ang konti ng comments dito sa kabila? Sabi ni Warren, sa palagay ko, hindi matatapos ang year na ito, mapapatugsik na silang lahat ng mga tiwali. Masaya ang mga may maleta. Di magugutom ang kawawang taong bayan. Uutang daw uli ang Pilipinas ng 2 billion US dollars. Aray. Hay, magbabayad niyan, baka apo na natin. Jekyll is asking, habeas corpus, anong ibig sabihin nun? Parang bitin yung tanong. Sabi ni Strictly, pag nagka-position si Attorney Trix under VP Sara's presidency, mahirapan na siya mag-live. That's something I don't want kasi selfish ako. Over. Ako din. Alam nyo, what I want to do is really to see a President Sara Duterte. So that's what I'm working on. Kumbaga, anything I can do to help that happen, then I will do that. Ibang usapan yung afterwards. Sabi ni Roman, gusto ko mag-aral ng batas. Any tips po where to start? Well, you will take the law aptitude exam. You will have to inquire kung saan. Sa amin kasi walang, walang ganon. It was only entrance exams. Pero sa UP lately, ang dami daw nagtitake ng, so you can inquire with the university. Sa UP Law, punta lang po kayo doon and they will give you the information doon sa SEC's office. Secretary's office. Pwede, it's a joke. It's an old joke. But you can also check online. But what can prepare you for it? Well, check your undergraduate degree kasi any undergraduate naman tatanggapin. But it will help you immensely if you have logic, if you studied logic. Sometimes it helps that you read a lot. Yung sanay kayo magbasa because you will be reading a lot. English comprehension and facility with the English language is necessary because many of your classes will be conducted in English. Ano pa ba? And yeah, yung ability mo to spot an issue. That's what's going to be tested sa'yo. Hi, Suki. Why are you still awake? May nakaabang sa akin dito. Ewan kung makikita ng TikToker, Suks. Ayan, nakikita ng TikToker si Suki. Teka nga, Suks, pakita ka naman dun sa ibang mga tao. Ha? Suks. Yes, Suki, say hi. Hi, Suki, over here. Are you hungry? Are you hungry na? Huh, baby cat? Yes? Say hi. Look over here. Look over here. Look over here. Why aren't you saying hi? So, para dun sa mga bago pong dating dito, yes, she's Persian. But she's not full like purebred. She's half Siamese. So, rescue lahat ng pets ko. It's many times they were sent to me or binigay sa akin kasi either hindi naman mabibili to because hindi naman siya purebred. So, the breeder, the friend of the breeder sent her to me kasi pinapamigay nila yung mga ganito. Tapos si Serb naman, because of his bloodline, si Serb is a purebred pero hindi siya mabenta kasi yung bloodline niya makulit yung sa mother side. And although he is fully trained, may tendency pa rin talaga maging makulit. So, yun, binigay siya sa amin. Si Barty is also full, purebred Persian, pero parang, yung sa sobrang daming anak, hindi kinaya ng breeder na bigay sa amin. So, ayan, and then the others just wondered din. Si Mimo nga kitten biglang pagtingin ko meron nang nakikikain dito. I don't know how he got in. Pati si Kit. The Siamese ay mga mga bigay din. But none of them are purebred. Even my Siamese, they look Siamese but they're actually all half Persians as well. So, yun. Sabi ni Jekyll, have you read or watched the pronouncement of Boeing? I have not watched, but I've read with regard to the 18 Marines. Yes, and we actually already discussed it, that he may be making pronouncements that are prejudicial. So, OMB Boeing is in a position to determine the finding of probable cause, and he is the last signature, kumbaga. So, he must not just be actually objective but maintain the appearance of being so in order to protect the justice system. Si Sir Christopher may dalawa din, Sammy and Safira. Nax, I have a it's an embarrassing number. Kumbaga, dati I used to say, I'm two cats short of being the crazy cat lady. Ngayon, wala na talaga. I am already the crazy cat lady. Sabi ni Minion, we have 4 adopted lahat. Well, I don't buy. Kasi ang dami-daming nangangailangan ng homes. So, if we can still provide, sa ngayon kasi sobra ng dami. And then, there's a stray that wandered in, si Kali, and she came to us pregnant. So now we have some kittens that I really don't know what to do with. So most likely we'll put them up then for adoption. Pero walang ano yan. Kali she's a calico, 3 colors siya. Very beautiful, mommy. I haven't seen the kittens kasi tagong-tago sa ngayon. Sabi ni Julian's World, very talkative ang Remulla brothers. It seems to be a family trait, yes. Omi says she has 9 cats, 3 dogs, and 4 new puppies. I don't even know how many new kittens we have, but there are 3 cats sa kabila. Yung heterogeneous-eyed white cat namin just recently passed, si Kiba. But she's very old, ancient, senior na siya. She had a good life. So we are the 3 in the compound, and then ilan ba kayo dito? 8? Tapos 9, Callie and her kittens. So, 8 indoor cats. And nasa labas si Callie with her kittens. I don't know how many kittens. So, factor that in. If we have more than 10. Sabi ni Minion, mahal po magpaligate. No, most of my cats, after they arrive here, when they come of age, they're neutered or spayed. Pero dahil bata pa si Levi noon, so si Levi na lang ang hindi pa neutered, spayed. And of course, Kit the kitten and Callie. So they will be neutered and spayed. Meron po some times yung Biyaya Animal Shelter and Clinic, etc. They do yung murang kapon. They go to various cities and they offer it at 500 pesos. Parang ganon. Yes, Kawendex rent. You may actually, but walang I don't know kung sinong nakaano kay Callie because Callie arrived with us. She was already pregnant. So we'll have to see what her kittens are. But yes, we'll be putting up many of the kittens for adoption. Sabi ni Annie, cat break. Tama. Sabi ni Miss Maribel, pag mapagmahal daw sa animal, all the more mapagmahal sa tao. Swerte po mga pets nyo, may happy home. So parang ako nga yung outnumbered. Like the people here are outnumbered by the pets. Plus, laki-laking damulag ni Sir. Hi kay Minion, nasa Agusan del Sur daw siya, mahal po sa kanila. Pagka pumunta sa lugar ninyo ang biyaya, they go all over the country. So, tanungin ko kung nakapunta na sila doon. Ay sabi ni Omi, try daw the city vet's office. They give free space and neuters. All you need to bring are Manila paper, syringe, and gauze. That's what they do there daw in Davao City. Master Sam says willing to adopt. Okay, sige, no problem. We'll wait for that. As soon as Callie allows me to see her kittens, we'll take pictures, ha? Eto, sabi ni Ma'am Didi, Trillanes thinks he has won by putting Tatay Digong in the Hague. No, ST, you have just endeared him even more to the Filipino people. Diba pag hindi nga siya nakikita, the legend even grows. Tama po kayo dyan. he did not put Tatay Digong in The Hague. What he did was he made him immortal. He made him larger than life. Ma'am Katrina says they have 3 ginger cats, 4 tilapia, 3 calico, and 2 black cats. I'm so happy when people adopt black cats because, they're very misunderstood. Dati, all my cats, were always, when I just had usually 1 or 2 lang, all my cats, I always adopted the black cats. Pagka may nagsabi, meron dito, nasa kalye, pulutin mo na lang. Pag black, I would be there in a New York minute. Um, ganun din sa basta may makita kami noon, pag black, it's like an automatic yes for me. Kasi nga, kaya nga itong si Nasuki, si Eva, they're all black cats. Even if they're very, very hairy. So, sabi ni Miss Marisa, lahat po ng cats ko, kapon po ng biyaya. Lahat po, stray na inampon ko na, 10 na po sila, oo. And I really would like to thank you for that. Sabi ni Miss Katrina, ang naughty ng black cats. Oo, pero very matalino. Tapos sabi ni Minion, chismis ng mga ginger yan. I like that. What I don't have is a pure ginger. Yung isang si Peach dito is ginger, orange and white. Ayun, sabi ni Sir Christopher, yung pusa niya na si Safira Black din, may Princess Safira. Hi kay Kid, uy, mag-aalas 2 na. Napadala nga nila sa ICCC PRD pero palpak naman trabaho ni Tore. Yan. Sabi ni Ponyos, I like this. Used to have 25 Alaskan Malamutes. 20 sa kanila puppy, sobrang saya until mag-poop na sila. I understand. Oh, believe me, I understand. Buti nga si Serb is already toilet trained. Pero for the longest time, he still kept trying to mark everything in the house. Ma'am Erica says, black cats are great spiritual attack protectors. Meanwhile, ginger cats are Helions. Totoo yun. And are, kumbaga, logic resistant. Sabi ni Ma'am Katrina, riot talaga mga ginger, pero yung gustong-gusto ko makitulog sa kwarto. Oy, nako. Sabi ni Julian's World, yes, si Sir Artemio, I think, hindi pa po siya nagbe-message. Andito pa nga si Kit Kit, but Kit Kit is already bonding with the other cats. So, it will have to be one of the kittens. Iniintay ko po yung message niya. Sabi ni Kid Wanderer, by the way, hindi malas ang black cats. On the contrary. Diba? I think may na lang talaga. Somebody just spread that evil rumor that black cats are bad luck. That's not true. It's quite the opposite, as a matter of fact. Sabi ni Solan, nire-review ko yung interview nyo kay Attorney Ed Chico, di ka na halos maka-ask ng questions, kakatawa talaga yung comment niya kay Auntie Claire na parang may dala lang na tampipi sa palengke. Grabe. Alam mo, gustong-gusto ko pa naman ng mga tampipit for storage dito sa bahay. Biglang sabi ko, tampipi talaga. Sabi ni Junjun, sana may scratch pad for cats na nakasuot na sa katawan. I know what you mean. Minsan natutulog ako and then I wake up. Nako, ayan, ang dami na namang kalmot sa legs ko. Kasi pag nag-away or naglaro yung dalawa on my bed, itong si Mimu, ganyan eh. Ayan, pag-gising mo, duguan ka. You don't even know how it happened. Where's Wally is asking, ano yung mga loopholes na narinig niyo sa interview with Attorney Palad? Actually, marami. Pero yung biggest loophole is yung motivation niya for filing dito yung affidavit niya against VP Sara. Parang it came out of nowhere. Although yun nga, parang may pahiwatig si Attorney Palad na barkar-barkada naman yan eh. So he struck against the VP kasi galit siya kay Attorney Harry for the kidnapping case. Ma'am BM says, pag nagkakasakit siya, may namamatay na pusa. Feeling niya sinasalo. Oo. May ganun talaga. Sabi ni Ma'am Omi, my ginger cat is perhaps an anomaly. Sobrang mabait at behave. But there's the house. But, one of these days, hahantingin ko yung owner at sasabihin ko, alam nyo, kung pag ito pinakain ko sa bahay, hindi na to aalis. Sabi ni John, ako, kwentuhang usa na to. Last few comments, um, sabi ni John, may female ginger rescued cat ay sobrang chill lang pero siya ang reyna ng katahanan. Siya ang alpha, walang gumagalaw sa kanya. Tiklop ang tatlong babae, tuxedo, tilapia, and calico. Well, sa akin talaga, si Suki ang alpha. Not only because she's the oldest and the strongest among the cats. Siya yung kaya niya since this is a city, and a very dense one, hindi maiwasan na may mga daga sa kalye. So when they try to come into the house at masalubong nila si Suki, mas swerte kung mas swerte makasurvive yon. So this house is actually rat and mouse free because between the 9 cats and the dogs, si Yoshi pa, walang magsusurvive. But Suki rules with an iron fist. Talaga. Walang magmi-misbehave in her presence. So, makulit yung male cat, si Mimu, of course, at saka itong si Beans. But they're so cute when they're playing together. Sabi ni Eric, I always talk to my pets, cats, and dogs loudly so the universe can hear too that they are not allowed to absorb bad energy that's meant for me. I'd rather get sick than them giving their life for me. I agree. And sabi ni Boxfoot, mas okay pa yung minimum wage earner mag-explain tungkol sa oil price hike tulad yung viral na pump boy supervisor ng Caltex, di tulad kay Claire Castro na tag 270K a month, labo mag-explain. Sabi ni Ling, tatay dugong pala si Suki. O pero babae yan Very very alpha. Ito ayan. Tapos yung naman, yung kasabay niya, parang hindi naman sila sisters but they arrived one after the other. Si Eva, para siyang halo ng teacup something. Maliit lang siya pero Persian yung itsura niya and she's also black. Yun talaga, she's really a homebody. She's very, very used to gusto niya ng routine. She doesn't like change. Pag dinadala siya sa groomers, nangangatog siya, natatakot siya. But when they're but when she's at home, super lambing. Pero mabilis magtampo. Pagka may kasalanan ka, like for instance, she sleeps at the foot of my bed. Pag may umaagaw at pinayagan kong agawan siya, nako, the next day, good luck with my bed. She's going to soil it. Sabi ni Ma'am Nancy, are cats required for a help to aspiring lawyers? Yung son ko kasi taking law management ay nahilig din sa pet cats. I think, I'm not sure, a lot of other lawyers naman gusto nila ng dogs. But the one thing I did notice is that the younger lawyers, they do have pets. Parang, ewan ko, I don't know if it's a thing, pero for me, my cats relax me. Alam mo yan? There are things that you have to deal with. Cat hair all over the place, of course. And then scratching on the furniture, and it's so embarrassing because when they tear up the sofa and you haven't had time to change the ay nako, kakahiya. So minimal guests, that's what happens. But they do they do relax me. So, very high tension kasi yung work. You're always, you constantly worry about doing the right thing and at the right time kasi may timing din ang lahat. So, that the times na, yun nga, that you spend with the cats, ay, ang ano, ang saya, super de-stressed. May cat ka pa po yung orange color, pero nasa paligid lang. Pero if maalagaan, sobrang ganda po. Mabait pa. Yung orange ko, there's one orange colored cat, completely ginger cat. Lalaki siya. And I guess he's here pagka in heat si Levi. But Levi is going to be spayed very, very soon. I'm worried na baka hindi na siya dumaan. But he's so cute. I think somebody else owns him kaya hindi ko inaano. I feed him when he's here. Minsan kasi gutom na gutom. Ayun. Wala akong ragdoll. I have Persians. But all my Persians are half Siamese and all my Siamese are also half Persians. So, except for one, si Bartholomew cat, Bartholomew. He's really Ahmed's cat, but he spends more time here with me. He's a purebred Persian and he's huge. Ganito siya kalaki. And he's hair all over the place. But he's super cute. Tapos yung mata niya is always, he always acts like he's surprised. Pero super chill yan si Bart. He's always asleep. And then sometimes, when you pass him, tapos gusto niya magpalambing, he'll just go on his back and spread eagle himself like that. They're all so cute. Sabi ni Ma'am Didi, cats and dogs help you keep your sanity in a challenging world. Totoo yan. Sabi ni Ma'am BM, yung kaliko ko dito sobrang sutil. Inaaway mga dogs ng kapitbahay namin. Wow. Sabi ni Kid Wanderer, yung mga gingers niya, one brain cell lang daw. Oo, tapos nag-share pa sila. Pero hindi ko alam. Pero totoo yan. But you know what? My first ever cat na mahal ko, si Mary Kay, because she came from school and I brought her home. Yun, mabait yan. Super bait. She's very patient with being fed, ganyan. She doesn't climb on the tables and chairs. Alam niya kagad yung lugar. But her son, si Tiger, yun yung talagang bonded sa akin. I had him for 12, 16 years, something like that. Lawyer na ako nung he passed. And he could read my mind. He could. Dati sinabi ko, you know what, I want a black and white cat. I want a black kitten. I want to take care of a black kitten. Kasi solo cat na nun si Tiger. Wala na mommy niya. About 2 weeks later, he comes in the house and puts this little black mess on my feet. It was a black kitten whom I took care of. Pero naunang mag-pass yun kesa dun sa kay Tiger. So, I swear, most of my cats, they know what I'm thinking. They can read my mind. Sabi ni Solay, half Persian and half Siberian, double ang hairs, pwede nang gawing coat ng tao. Can you imagine how brush day happens here in the house? Talagang pag binabrush mo, konting strokes lang, hala, tapon ka ng tapon with the long-haired ones. And then the Persians naman, yung mga tipong pag ayaw nilang tumigil ka, good luck sa araw mo. Hindi po ba nag-aaway mga cats nyo, lalo na yung mga bagong cats na ina-adopt nyo? There's a period of adjustment, yes. For a few weeks, aawayan sila ni Beanie. Pero once na-establish na, especially pag nakita na ni Beanie, nandun na sa bed ko. Okay, after a while, humuhupa din. Pag natanggap na ni Beanie, wala nang issue. Si Beanie is actually the male alpha. Si Suki kasi, parang warden yun eh. Sabi ni Ma'am Erica, how do you guys take care of winter dogs like Siberians? Because I have a Lhasa Apso and he grumbles when I turn off the AC. Oh my gosh. There's a How are you going to explain to your dog that there's a war? Grabe. I used to have a Russian blue. Ang ganda talaga. Pero yun, ang bait nun si Mazikin. Super bait yun. Also could read my mind. Yung kitten po na adapt ko sa dog namin, pagbili po ako gatas at yung boto. Tsaka po ako 1 month. Pero ngayon po, malakas na kumain, cat food, kakatuwa po, ang kulit. Very few people will understand what it means to be a fur parent until they become a fur parent, di ba? Hi kay CTM, magandang gabi. Nako, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumubaybay sa live natin ngayon. Hindi po naka-achieve ng gift goals. Naka-achieve ba ng gift goals? Uy, naka-achieve ng gift goals pala. So may extension tayo ng 10 minutes dito sa TikTok. So para dun sa mga nasa blue and red apps at saka sa green apps, you can move over to the other side, to the black app, para matuloy yung discussion. We can still talk about the cats or we can talk about the impeachment. Your choice. Pwede rin naman po tayong mag-karaoke nights para dun sa nakakamiss ng kantahan. Yan, sabi ni Miss Hillary, how do they get rid of their hairball? May kinalaman ba sa food nila yan? Yes. You can buy cat grass and grow it in your apartment, or you can feed them yung merong parang there's certain foods that you can buy with the cat grass already incorporated in it. They have to throw it up. Sabi ni Junjun, di niya makatabi yung pet cats niya kasi mabalahibo, nangangati siya. That's why they have to be brushed. Kasi without the brushing, holy cow. Si Ma'am BM. Ang gaganda daw ng names ng mga cats kasi sa kanya, yung mga names are Ngaw-Ngaw, Agta, Tumba, Tumba-Tumba, at Luya. Ay. Sa akin kasi, they're all, ever since Harry, si Harry kasi, he was an older dog. His owner got sick. He had 80 dogs and some like 60 cats. Si Harry was one of the last for them to be able to find a home. So pero parang soul dog yan eh. Pag nagkatinginan lang kami, alam na namin na we belong to each other. So with Harry, I tried so many names kasi they didn't know, parang hindi na nila sinabi sa akin yung pangalan niya. The people who are managing the property of his previous owner. So I could call him anything I wanted. So I put him on one end of the room and then went through a bunch of names. Pagdating dun sa Harry, tumakbo na siya sa akin. And ever since then, Harry na siya. So after that, I went from calling my pets pet names to calling them regular names. So Harry, well, Cerberus of course is named after the three-headed dog that guards the entrance of Hades. My black cats used to be named after demons. Pero now, it's really how they respond. Si Mimo came to me as a kitten, so kung kung saan siya nag-respond, yun yung nagiging names nila. So, kaya sa social ng mga nila, ng mga pangalan nila, kasi yun ang sinasagot nila. Will the impeachment push through, really doing their all to stop her from running in 2028, sabi ni CTM? It depends. We haven't seen it. We're taking it a day at a time. But this is already the impeachment. Impeachment means when the House of Representatives finds probable cause. So what VP Inday is already facing is an impeachment proceeding, the House impeachment proceeding. So a person is considered impeached when probable cause is found in the House. What happens in the Senate is a trial, sometimes called an impeachment trial, but really impeached means what happens in Congress, is the result from the congressional findings. Okay. So maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. We will see you again later.